Hey everyone, it's Karen with Yes Please Paper Crafts, and in this video I'm going to be creating another card using the new die set from Spellbinders. This is part of the Beautiful Sentiment Vignettes collection by Becca Feeken, and I had used this same die set to create a scrapbook layout, and I'll put a link to that layout in the description below if y'all want to check that out. But in this video I'm going to be creating a card. And I'm using some leftover pieces that I had cut out when I was making my scrapbooking layout. And so that's what I'm going to start with here. Now the paper came from a Rosie Studio collection called Still Water. And I used some white cardstock and then some papers from that 12x12 paper pad. And it's just a really beautiful die set. And so I did use this Romantic Chargeour die set. And it comes in 5 different pieces, and I cut out all of those pieces that you saw there. Now my card base is going to be out of green cardstock. I'm using this pale green, and I'm using the 12-inch paper trimmer from Creative Memories. And one of the awesome things about this trimmer is that you can have different blades that you can put into it. So I'm using the scoring blade in order to make my card base. And because this die is quite large, I'm going to be using a 5x7 card base, and I think I scored that wrong. I must have lined it up with the wrong measurement there, because when I folded it in half, it didn't meet up. So what I'm going to end up doing is to just take that green cardstock and create a panel for the front of the card, and then I'm going to take some white cardstock and just create a base that's a 5x7. Okay, so now that I have my card base created and all of the pieces cut out, I'm going to assemble these pieces together to create the main panel of the card. And I'm using a liquid glue. It's the Barely Art Precision Craft Glue. It's a really awesome glue. I love using it, especially when I'm gluing together really intricate dies like this one. And I'm just going to glue those top pieces together, and I'm also going to add this diamond piece onto the middle there. I just love that paper from Rosie Studio. Super pretty. Okay, I decided that maybe I wanted to add a little bit more dimension to this card, so I'm going to take some foam tape and add that to this part here and just pop that up a little bit with the foam tape to add some dimension. I think it adds a lot of interest to your card, and just makes it look really pretty when you have dimension. But I didn't want to put too much dimension, so I'm just going to take the main panel and just glue it right down onto the card base. I am going to be mailing this card, so I didn't want it to be too bulky. Okay, so I'm ready to start embellishing my card, and I'm using a collection from Rosie Studio called Take Flight. It's a really pretty collection that has soft pastel colors, and the theme for this collection is things that fly. So it has airplanes and butterflies and birds and also fairies. And I decided to use one of the fairies on my card. And for my sentiment, I'm going to use this banner that I found that says "You did it." I think that's super cute. I did actually change my fairy out, and I'm going to use one from the 3D stickers because I just thought that it stood out a little bit more from the background that I had there. The other one just had too similar of colors, and it blended too much into the background. So I did also decide to add some flowers to the card, and I found 2 pale blue flowers and 1 purple flower. I did think about using those puffy stickers, but I ended up not pulling anything from there. I wanted to keep the card simple just because I wanted to show off that gorgeous panel that I created. I didn't want to cover too much of that up. Okay, so the last thing that I'm going to add to this card is some gems because I wanted to give the card a little bit of sparkle. And so I'm going to use some of these clear gems from Stampin' Up. And I just thought that they suited the look and feel of this card. I'm also going to add a sentiment on the inside of my card that says "Celebrate this day." And that's going to finish off this card. I hope y'all enjoyed this card making process video, and if you did, please give this video a like. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. I have some close-up here of the card that I'll share with you. I also have a short video clip of my 2 dogs, Bella and LilyBelle, that I put at the very end of this video, so if y'all want to see that, stick around to the end. So that's all I have. Hope y'all have an awesome day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye now. telling everybody hi? What else you got to say? Feed me? You want some snacks? Is that what you want? Yes, yes. Okay, well, I guess I can give you a snack. You sure have lots to say. Yeah? What else? You've got lots to say. Okay, can you be a little quieter? What about... Can LilyBelle talk? Will you let her talk? She won't talk? Are you sure? You are? We need to give her a chance. Okay, Bella's on a rant. What else you got to say? Yeah? What else? LilyBelle's like, I'm gonna go over here. She's making a lot of noise. Okay. Maybe Bella's... Oh, I see why you're mad and upset. She's telling y'all about how LilyBelle... Yeah, she got to go. And Bella did not get to go. And LilyBelle went and got her... LilyBelle went and got her haircut yesterday. And Miss Bella stayed home. I know. That's not fair, huh? Well, you'll get to go in a couple weeks. Well, your hair doesn't grow as fast as LilyBelle's hair. Well, it doesn't. Okay. Would you like a snack, Miss Bella? Okay. She's on a rant. Yes, it's a rant. Okay, would you like some peanuts? We got some peanuts. It was left over from craft night. And Miss 𝗲𝗏 sent this home for you guys. Would you like a peanut? You would? Okay, back up. Here you go, Miss Bella. You can have the first one. And LilyBelle gets one too. Was that a good snack? Would you like another peanut? Can y'all do a trick? Okay. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Can you do a down? Down? Good job! Okay, peanuts all around. Let me get y'all peanuts. Peanut, peanut, one at a time. They love peanuts. They love peanuts. And so when I get the mixed nuts with the peanuts, I like the mixed nuts. And I save the peanuts for the girls. Yep, that's their favorite. They like the peanuts. Okay, get one more. Okay, and then we'll have some more for tomorrow. Okay, what you gonna do for this peanut? Can you back up? Back up, back up. Can you speak? LilyBelle, speak. They did it down. Oh, good job. Okay, Miss Bella, can you speak? Speak? Good job. All right. Okay, well, that's all we have for today. Hope y'all have an awesome week, and we hope to see you next time. Bye now.